How to add another Instagram account using an Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually add another account on Instagram using an Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated the Instagram app, you want to go ahead and simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into one of your accounts. Now, let us assume that you want to add another account to your Instagram app using your Android phone. Well, what you have to do is first of all go to your profile page, and on the very top you'll be able to see your current username. If you tap on it, you'll also be able to see a list of all the other accounts which you have added on your phone. So if you want to add another account, simply select add account button which you see and select login to existing account. Now over here we will simply go ahead and select the account which we want to log into, enter your username, enter your email address, enter your passwords, and so on, and you can see we're successfully logged into another account. If I go ahead and show you, if I tap on it, now you can basically see that I currently have two accounts, and if you want a quick way to switch it, you have to quickly double tap on the profile icon and you can see we'll be switched to another. If you double tap on this again, you'll be switched to another account. And this is how you could very easily add Instagram account using an Android device. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.